Hey guys, today we learn a different function altogether, which is count blank. Very simple function. If I have to specify what count blank does, is it calculates number of blank values within a specified range. Yeah, so sometimes I need to know how many null values or blank values are there within the cell, which I need to fill with a particular value while before doing the analysis. So count blank acts as a very important function towards data cleaning. So if your data has any blank value, this could be identified using the count blank function. Very simple function. So count blank, and you need to specify the range from where you want to search for the blank cell. So if I want to find count blank, if I want to check for count of blank values within the sales section, I do not have one. If I want to check it within the category, it is again 0. But if I try to delete anything, you'll find the blank will give me the count of blank cells within the category. So if I try to delete more, let me delete some more cells. And you can find as soon as I am deleting certain thing, this creates a blank cell within that particular range which has been selected. And it gives me the count of the blank cells within that particular range. Yeah, so I'm just filling them again. Let me use the true and false column. You can see I've selected the rows from 4 till 21, and I want the blank cells within this range, and it gives me there are 16 cells which are blank in this particular range. Yeah. Now you need to see to it that the quantity column, suppose the quantity column, let me show you that. So if the quantity column has a 0 value, yeah. So let me change the cell, that is the range is T, not T, S. Yeah. So the quantity column which I have selected here has a 0 value. It will still be considered and not be considered, it will not be considered as a blank value because it has some value within it. So 0 is considered as a value and it will not be counted for blank. Rather, if I do a count A, it will be counted within that because it has some value. But if I make it blank, then definitely it will give me a output that one of the cell is empty or blank and doesn't have any value. But 0 is considered as having some value, and then hence it is not been counted in count blank. Yeah. So this is a very good function which I mostly use during data analysis. Yeah. Specifically during my initial phase before I get into analysis, that is for data cleaning, so that I can have the right data being inputted in those blank cells, or at least I ignore those records for my analysis, because blank cell will not give me any kind of output which I could analyze. Hope I was able to make the concepts clear on count blank function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you are going to get notifications about any future videos that I upload. And yes, it will also motivate me to create such free content to make you Excel expert. Thank you so much.